What? Long time I not chat to no. They're just kind of lazy. But after that verdict that was read, the dormant volcano has erupted once more. So if you have not heard, what am I talking about have not heard? Anybody who is somebody here, all the people them on the missing flight here, Vybz Kartel aka World Boss, World with a V, has been found guilty. I don't know how true it is, but I heard that after the verdict was read, and on the case of the accused men who stand here in the court today, the jury has found them guilty, except one man. These sounds could be heard coming from the prisoner's death. And then someone gave out a laugh. A majority of the dancehall fans globally feel away along with the entire Portmore. Why? Because we did want World Boss the road. But unfortunately, the long arm of justice proved to hit harder than a Gaza thump. Everybody they kind of react to the thing like a different way. On my Twitter timeline, people are saying, oh Lord, help me Jesus, Vybz is gone. What am I gonna do? Oh God, class, they lock up the World Boss, free World Boss. No, for a celebrity them is a tweet about it. It's boss. Spend a minute, gotta fit a minute, free World Boss, boss. Yeah. Even Drake did a tweet about it. Lord Lightskin himself. I don't know how true it is, but I think Drake did tweet something like, yeah, oh man, they locked up my brother from another mother, but we have the same color, team light skin. Drizzy, Gaza me say, free World Boss, just hold on, you're going home. All the old people them did their react, but you know the old people don't really get news straight. Then Joe, you say they lock up one of the big entertainer them. Oh, you say to me? Yes man, they lock up Vybz Kartel. Then which one that? Now the one that say straight jeans and fitted. They lock him up. Over what? The story kinda mix up, me not understand it, but me I go tell you like how me hear it. You remember saying this thing one song about Clarks, not true? Yeah. Well, he look like somebody thief two pair of Clarks them, cause shoes me them I talk about. Somebody thief two white shoes, and he look like he did get upset to the point where he must kill one lizard, and then that then lock him up for. But you say no man, cheese and peace. But you say then taking shoes man. You say the young boy, you know what you say no one walking or something. Oh, what a wicked set. Oh, you fi take the man shoes in sir.
Grandpa, where's the boy go say man? I take him and gun them and the man get mad and people get robbed. Grandma, now listen to news, but
Margaret, every time you listen to news and there's something, Margaret, you know all people. You always have a different understanding of how the entire story goes. The only thing left for us to do is pray that Vybz Kartel and his co-accused, the sentence where them get, most of we are gonna live for see him get released, Or maybe not. We should also pray that during his time behind bars, Vybz Kartel finds himself and also his complexion. And let us also pray that the World Boss, while serving his time, does not become somebody's girl boss. As we all know, Vybz not play them that game there. But me I wonder still, I'm like Vybz Kartel who can't do without him female them, you see me? How things are going there, you're not gonna get no pum pum. Will Mr. Palmer become a literal enforcer of his name, palming his instrument, or him get conjugal visit from Gaza? I'm shorty. We can only hope that while he is in prison, Vybz Kartel pass on some of the knowledge to the inmates. Yeah man, I don't know if when me did in there, Vybz teach me of a reading about it. I one time we never call when I heard them go, he told me that made with the gas office. One very important thing, very important thing when me learn from that case, and when all man fi learn from that case is, you see when you book a girl from UTech and she says she has study business, tell her say her girl from Norman Manley Law School had them a few business. She should pray on a Norman Manley Law School girl. And another thing, we have to big up Emily Crew. Someone are going like hype on Emily. I want to take this. If I never for Emily, most someone would know nothing what going on in a quote. And Emily give the thing a boss. I make we know every update. How me say every update? I mean if a judge sneeze, we get an update say judge just bust a sneeze. So I have to big up Emily for send out the tweet them. I don't know if me alone feel away like somewhere deep down, you know what I mean? I just have hope say it was really just a scheme. I just have hope. But here, we not biased to the thing and we intelligent. A crime is a crime regardless of who come in. How would them say? If you do the crime, then you have to face the time. We hope say justice has been served or will be served. Not true? This is Kevin Too Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it. To all of you people them we are going to vote in an election where far. It's when you have vote. Watch my mouth now, watch my mouth. Vote Leron Leng for Gil President. Vote Ramon Robinson for PRO. And vote Adam Fernandez for CEAC. But don't say what me have to say. Yes, man.